In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Time Doctor, a process that will take approximately 5 minutes. This integration will help you efficiently track time spent on your tasks, enhancing productivity and ensuring you stay on top of your deadlines. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open your favorite web browser and search for Time Doctor. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whatever you prefer. Just type Time Doctor into the search bar. You'll see a list of results, but what you're looking for is the official Time Doctor site, whose URL is timedoctor.com. Usually, it's the first result, so go ahead and click on it. Now that you're on the Time Doctor website, you'll need to log in. Enter your credentials and sign into your account to begin the integration process. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. But assuming you're all logged in, it's crucial to make sure you have the Time Doctor browser extension installed and logged in as well. This extension is essential because it will facilitate the tracking of your tasks directly from your browser, providing you with accurate time management. Next, we're going to shift our focus to Asana. In your browser, conduct a search for Asana and navigate to the website. Just like before, you'll need to log into Asana with your credentials. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your task board if you haven't already, as it plays a key role in this integration. Now, with everything set up, it's time to select a task from your Asana board that you would like to track. Click on any task to open it. Here's where Time Doctor comes into the picture in a really useful way. Just glance toward the top left corner of your screen and you should see a Start Timer button. This is provided by the Time Doctor extension, allowing you to begin tracking the time you spend on a particular task. To start, simply click the Start Timer button. You'll notice that Time Doctor will immediately begin tracking your time on this specific task. This is extremely helpful for real-time tracking and ensuring that you can allocate your time efficiently throughout your day. Once you're done, or if you need to take a break, you can easily pause the timer by clicking its pause button. This way, you can ensure accurate tracking of your time dedicated to various tasks. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully integrated Asana with Time Doctor, setting yourself up for better time management and increased productivity. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials.